All right, in example 4 in 4.4, we are looking at a transformation that's already happened, two transformations that have already happened, and we have to describe what made the pre-image go to the image. In other words, my starting point is the ABC. This is my starting point, and this is my ending point. Okay. So what I'm going to do first is figure out how did we get here? Um, the first question that it asks, are they congruent? Yes, they're congruent. Like when you look at them, it looks like these triangles have a base of 2, a height of 4. They look congruent, which means that it did have some sort of transformation happen to it. So yes, they are congruent. Yes, they are. Now let's figure out how did they get here. One, you can tell the image turned upside down. So no matter what, we are going to have to turn the shape. There could be multiple answers on this one, but because it is a fill in the blank, we can look at what hints they give us. In this case, it looks like it says blank about the origin, which means that there's a rotation, and then a long vector, which means there's a translation. So I'm looking at a rotation and then a translation. So when I rotate this, origin is here. I got to get my shape to be entirely upside down and turned around. A 90-degree rotation would put me probably looking like this. This would be in like a 90, right? Turning it that way. So if I need to go around again, that would be a 180-degree rotation around the origin. Okay. If you do not know where that's going to land you, use the rule. 180-degree rotation, remember, is XY. And you take them and you go negative X, negative Y. But I can tell you right now where it's going to end up. It's going to probably go like this. Excuse me. Like that. That's going to land you a 180 rotation. So now that we have the 180 done, boom, now we slide it across. So if I'm looking, I just need 1 point, right? So 1 point will put me from here to there. So looking at it, looks like I slid over 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. Okay. So let's see. 3 spaces would be +3, comma, up and down would be 0. And that'll get you there. Could you have done other things on this one? Absolutely. But because they had this fill in the blank section, it gives us some hints on the transformations that they actually wanted. And if you're unsure if you're doing them right, draw on the picture. Okay, see what works and what doesn't.